Monthly progressive shorthand April 2020 at the speed of 95 words per minute. Dictation start within 3 seconds. Start. I am grateful to my friend, director of the International Academy of Indian Culture, to have asked me to lay the foundation stone of the Academy building and to inaugurate the function stop. I associate myself with both of these functions with pleasure. For some time past, I have been familiar with the objects of and the work done by the International Academy of Indian Culture, and I feel that despite its limited resources, the Academy has been doing valuable work in the field of research. I believe there are some other institutions also carrying on researches in Indology and other branches of ancient thought, but I do not think any one of them has been able to cover such a range of subjects and such a wide fields as to include Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Central Asia as the International Academy of Indian Culture. Seeing the importance of this work, it seems essential that the Academy should be encouraged in its work as far as possible. Search for knowledge is as interesting a pursuit as the acquiring of it. The ancient knowledge which recorded history and old monument unravel to us has its limitation stop. These sources of history do not carry us very far, and in some cases they do not tell us enough of the current and cross current of popular thought. Locally, we have another source of having a peep into the dim and forgotten past. That source consists of ancient works and manuscript found in a variety of languages and script stop. An examination of these data and its proper integration can also add to our knowledge of that period. No much by way of research has till now been done so far as the countries of the East are concerned, although scholars are of the view that exchange of thought and mutual give and take on the intellectual level has not been less in Asia than in other parts of the world. Stop. By not assimilating this knowledge, we are not only keeping our information incomplete, but are also unable to assess correctly man's intellectual progress through the ages. That is why proper integration of the bits of knowledge scattered in various lands is not only essential for the lifting of the curtain over patches of ignorance, but also for having an integrated history of the intellectual evolution of man. Stop. This is being done now. The story as to how thoughts travel almost like electricity from one place to another, influencing and inspiring peoples of far-flung land is extremely interesting. Short stories of ancient India and our social and religious thoughts spared in far off terrorists crossing many seas and scaling many a high mountain peak. In the same way, the Buddhist faith and thought and the Buddhist conception of art traveled to foreign land at a time when, comparatively speaking, the means of communication were more or less non-existent. Precedent efforts of devout thinkers and scholars gave wing to those thoughts and, like sapling, planted them in other countries where they blossomed and before fruit stopped. In all these countries, Buddhist thought and traditions were assimilated in and influenced by local thought stop. It has been the effort of the International Academy of Indian Culture to present all those currents of thought in a readily assembly and integrated from stop. It is gratifying to note that in its efforts the Academy has met with considerable success, as a result of which it is going to launch its publication program, making a beginning with this stop. This book is a collective record and integrated view of the many currents of thought that crossed each other thought out vast terrorists in the Himalayan fastness of Tibet and from the public island of Indonesia up to the snow-covered areas in Siberia and Central Asia. India thought had influenced all these vast areas in ancient times. I hope the publication of this will throw much light on the undetermined history of these ancient countries and the exchange of thought that one took place among them. I am glad that the International Academy of Indian Culture has planned the publication of such a monumental work. Stop. All these information about the ancient history of Eastern countries and their mutual relationship is coming to us at a time when there is an upsurge of awakening discernible in them. Stop. This knowledge is therefore of particular importance to us, not only the countries of Asia, but all the nations of the world are getting closer to one another, and all of them feel that the world can be saved from destructive wars by strengthening mutual ties of goodwill and friendship. Our knowledge of the relation which subsisted among the various countries in ancient time is bound to lend strength to the basis of international friendship. Stop. Let us hope that the publication of this and also the new awakening will inspire a sense of intellectual stop. आई होप आप सभी को डिक्टेशन पसंद आई होगी। कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।